I'm going to show you how to close the fiscal year for finance with the Fiori app and the transaction code in SAP S for Hana system. My name is Nuno Dias and I've been working with SAP since 2001 with my main focus in finance. I work as an SAP FICO Contract. In case you want to reach me out for projects, please find my LinkedIn ID in the description of this video. If you are now just reaching to this channel, its name is SAP at Advance and the aim is to share SAP knowledge. Therefore, do not forget, please subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. My dear audience, I would like to make you a request to help this channel to reach 1,000 subscribers. At the moment, we have more than 8,000 views and less than 200 subscribers. Would you please help us to scale this balance by subscribing this channel? Here in this channel, we deliver very high quality content. I use my free time. I also have to pay the access to S for Hana system to make the videos and share SAP knowledge for finance. And of course, for free. I think it is fair enough to ask your contribution to share SAP knowledge by clicking in the button subscribe and also by sharing this channel within your network. And if you like this video, please make a like. If you don't like this video, make dislike and put some comments to help us to improve our video. So now let's reach 1,000 subscribers. Every end of fiscal year, we must close the previous year when we finished every FI post in order not to post something in the previous year. We are going to see in this video with the T-code how to make this magic to happen, and also we are going to see how it works with the Fiori app in order to understand the relationship of the naming, in order to understand the relationship in the naming convention in between both applications. And now without any further ado, let's start and let's go to the system. Now we are in the SAP GUI menu for the ones that use S/4HANA on-premise. So here it's pretty simple to go for the transaction code. We have accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, and then we have environment, current settings, and there is this option, this huge transaction code, open and close posting periods. You can also use the transaction code OB52, which is the same thing. It was the old transaction code, is still available over here. I'm going to double click and I'm getting this trouble, posting period variant. So if I don't know the posting period variant, there is another option to know what is the one. So I go to the transaction code OBY6 and then inside I'm going to choose my company codes. So I will put position as 400 and then I have my company code. Here I'm going to double click and I will see posting period variant S400. So let's start closing this and let's go to the S400, enter. So here we have already a video explaining everything of this. One is one of the first videos in the channel when we create the posting period variant and we show this. But here I'm going to show how to close the posting periods. So what does it mean? This is for everything. I have A, D, K, and so on, which is for vendors, clients, assets, GL accounts, and so on. Then I have the accounts, if it's the case, or the vendors, if it's the case. You can see how you have in your clients. So here we have from period to period. So this means that this is open from this period to 9 of that year. And then normally we have a special periods. We have a special period, or we can have more, but normally we have, for example, from period 12, from period 13 to period 16, which means when I close, for example, I wanted to close 24, so I was going to put 5 there. And then I'm going to put 5 here. So it means that 24 is closed And then we have 24 and I have 24. Then I would be able to make postings from the period 13 to 16. Okay, I just need to make a save, and this was done as it is. Okay, we are going to pick up on the example. So normally we have this option for regular from 1 to 12, and then we have for special periods during the closing that we use. So here I cannot post anything from 1 to 12, if I have here the 12, for instance. From 1 to 12, I cannot post 2024, but if I'm doing the period 13, I'm able to post 2024. So far, so good. Now we are going to visit the Fiori app. So here in the Fiori app, we are in the Fiori LAUNCHPAD. If you don't know yet how to navigate in the Fiori LAUNCHPAD, you can find the link in the description of this video. If you struggle how to find Fiori apps in the Fiori SAP library, you can also find the link in the description of this one to know how to find the Fiori apps. So now let's search for our Fiori app, which is manage posting periods. Okay, that's the one. I'm opening manage posting periods. Here is a little bit simpler. Posting period variant, I might not know the posting period variant, but I should know my company code. So if I put S400 and press go, I have my S400, okay, company, and I'm going to make a tick here. I don't need to pull all of the ledgers. And I'm going to click OK, and then here I'm going to click go. So we were touching on this one. So as you can see here, I can see assets, customers, suppliers. I have 2 times because I have here an interval of suppliers and contract accounts. If I see here, I have this in red. So this is closed. We are in 2025. And as you can, if you still remember, we have done here some changes. Okay, now coming back here, I want to see, to show you what is the normal period, the adjustment. Okay, so now we are going to see from 13 to 16, it means 13 to 16, it means the special period, which they call the normal, and the adjustment 1 to 12, it seems it is the normal period, what we call here in the SAP, in the SAP Web. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here and we are going to revert back everything that we did. Set opening periods, what I'm going to do, normal periods, I want to adjustment periods. I want to have from 123 as it was. Let me see how it was, what we did. So it was 23 and then 26. So 123, 26. And then we can make here okay, everything gets updated. And then I also want to change here as it was it. So we have 24 to 25th, 1 to 12, just to align what we did. 24 to 25th. So here is 1 to 12, just to align what we did, because this is a testing system. I don't want to be messing up with everything. So now this is green and the adjustment is still in yellow. 1 to 12, 24 is still not good. Let's put 1 million more. 26. That's what we have here. So adjustment 26. Set period adjustment 26. Otherwise, we are not able to make any postings. Now we are fine. 23 to 26, we can make postings. And now what I wanted to show you is that I go here, I go back. I'm going in again. So posting period variant, which is important. And then everything got updated as before. Here I have 2024, 25th. So I want to update this one. So we will see the synchronization with these assets. I have 24, 25th, I have 26, and I want to put 26 on the adjustment. 26 on this one, assets. So now I select here, I go there, adjustment. I'm going to put 26, and then I'm going to make OK. Now it got updated, and then when I go here, go back, go in, I get the same update. So this is pretty simple to use. I just was managing in between both Fiori App and the transaction codes to open periods, just for you to understand the naming convention when it is used for normal periods or when it is used for special periods. If you have enjoyed this video as me doing for you, please make a big like to us. Also, please put some comments if this video was useful for you. Now you know how to close the fiscal year in finance using a Fiori app and the transaction code in SAP S/4HANA system. Thanks for watching this video. You can find the next video in the description of this one. Please do not forget, subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. See you in the next video.